Why does my HVAC system lose performance gradually instead of suddenly? It usually happens because dirt, wear, blocked airflow, refrigerant problems, or aging parts slowly reduce how well the system moves and conditions air. An HVAC system is made of many parts that work together, so one small problem can grow over time. A dirty air filter makes the blower work harder and reduces the amount of air moving through your home. Dust can also collect on the indoor coil, outdoor coil, blower wheel, and fan blades, making heat transfer less effective. In cooling mode, a small refrigerant leak may slowly lower pressure, causing longer cycles in warmer air instead of an immediate shutdown. Electrical connections and capacitors can weaken gradually, so the motor may start slowly or struggle under heavy use. Duct leaks or crushed ducts can waste conditioned air before it reaches your rooms. Weather also matters because extreme heat makes the system work harder, while an aging compressor may lose efficiency after years of repeated cycles. You can help by checking the filter regularly, keeping the outdoor unit clear of leaves, and scheduling maintenance before performance becomes a major problem. A common mistake is replacing the filter only when it looks completely dirty, so check it about every 1 to 3 months and replace it sooner if you have pets or construction dust. Another mistake is adding refrigerant without finding the leak, so have a qualified technician test the system and repair the source. People also sometimes close many supply vents to redirect air, but this can raise pressure inside the ducts, so keep most vents open and have airflow problems inspected. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.